Yo, Tactic Plus from Mr. Compress. When I record it seems fine. Obviously. Oh crap. Honestly, this is an indirect character, he's still so strong. I think I'm going to... I haven't decided on the name yet. Still trying to decide. Probably not gonna get my beta to 4. Here we go. Then I'm gonna get Alpha to level 9. And then I'm gonna get my Gamma to level 9. I think someone went in here. Oh. I can't jump. I'm failing. I didn't even realize I was there. Hello there. I'll sub them. Oh shit. Thank you, Almighty. Right, he's underrated. He is still strong, but I'm just trash. Well, can't block that one. Where'd he go? I lost him. Where is this coming from? I need to go heal. Let me do this group heal. I got caught. Oh, they're up there. I don't think I got the kill. I think I just got the assist for it. Yeah. There we go. Hey, I got a kill. I can't get off. Oh, there we go. Oh, crap. Can't get me, motherfucker. Idiot. Make a panic and stress. Did I kill someone? Oh, he did. Where did they go? Alright. Oh, wait, let me get you. Oh, shit. Thank you. Idiot. Told you, this character's really strong. Honestly, might be one of my mains, can't lie. Wow. Alright. Fuck ours. Let me stay up here and just slice. Oh, put that. Thank you. Get him, motherfucker. Let's go. Shit. Oh, what are you? Oh, tried. I tried to get him, but oh, I'm dead. Ah, almost. Almost. Did good though. Just with my aim, it's he'd be a bad character if you have my aim. No, it's still pretty good though. So some, yeah, I do better as Deku, rapid Deku. Oh, well, there's no point playing these. I always think I'm streaming when I'm not. But OBS can pause the videos now.
Let's have a little fun, shall we?
Pretty cool. That's my name at the top. This one. Except I have an E on here. Why? Just why? I don't even know what it is, I just know it's bad. From everyone else's reaction. And then you have to have 6, 7 and like, what? No, I'm gonna start in Antarctica, don't you want well. I keep looking over at my stream chat. I always think I'm streaming. I normally play this when I'm streaming. Oh my god, my OBS is lagging. Oh, okay, though. Skill issue, isn't it? Wing. Are we? Am I lagging? I was. I'm leaving y'all. I'm never helping you again. I'm not helping them. If they even get close to the line, I'm not helping them. They can just die. Oh, I hear that. I hear Toga. Leave me alone. Idiot. You're... Might as well get that to 4 at the same time. No? Oh no. What the? Let me get this. At least my game's not lagging from OBS anymore. Let me... Naruto? What's Naruto doing there? You better back off. You've been stealing my chest and shit. Oh wait, that's my teammate. No, he's Naruto 67. You're not gonna level his abilities. Oh, I could have saved that. Oh,
Well, level up. I'll be taking that item.
well, no, I
I'll take that.
do it then. It's for you anyways.
Why you? The safe area has changed. Level up. Level up. Move quick or it'll get snapped up.
I don't know what to do. What do you guys think?
Ooh.
There you go.
I'll be taking that item. From the top.
What the hell?
Level up.
I've been getting my bear up the entire time.
Help me out here.
That man are really trying to steal my loot as well.
So scary.
I rescued a civilian.
No one cares.
Ready for my spot.
Everyone is in the safe area. Run!
Tough stay. Big finish. Bow out.
Enemy attack! Let's get him!
Look over there. Was this your card?
They've been raced. You missed.
I see through you.
We're under enemy.
This isn't good. Can you counter? No unless freeze to death. How uncivilized. The safe area has changed. Bow out. I can't.
No.
No time to waste.
Enemies are waiting.
What are these two doing? Shit, I'm dead. Y'all, you're gonna...
Damn it.
Are they gonna help? This is why I really don't like this game. Everything else is fine. It's my team. It's the teammates you get put with. Always a pain in the ass. Like, can you actually help once in a while? It wasn't that hard to climb. See, running from Togo. You're an idiot.
Thanks.
Yeah, I don't need those. I need that.
Was this your card? Not thanks. New block.
Fucking knew you was gonna do that.
Can you counter? I see through you.
Oh,
Was this your card? Disappearing. Look over there.
what the f... Huh?
Was this your card? You fell for it.
No, I can't block that.
I see through you. Bye-bye. Look over there. It's yours. Not thanks.
Oh shit.
No time to waste. Enemies are waiting.
Oh, fucking, no. Shit.
Some didn't make it into the safe area.
He could have just waited till I got up.
Too close.
When did that do that much damage? And can, like, I get heals from them when they res me?
No time to waste. Enemies are waiting.
Ow. And you can tank me, tank me. Why would Mike do that? They should have stayed in front of me, so.
Sorry, guys. I've been taken off the air.
I'm not even gonna lie, I think these are some of the worst teammates I have. I'm not even saying I'm good. I know I did absolutely terrible this round. But these are genuinely some of the worst teammates I've ever had.
You've got 30 seconds before the safe area moves. Better check on your ally. Whatever it takes.
Might as well. Yeah. Oh, good. What's up, eating shorts? Oh. Alright. Alright. Let's see these names. Godra is the best. No, it's not. And then you called Sukuna Vessel, which is, you know, crazy work. If we're talking about JJK, Yuji is the best. And if we're talking about all anime, Naruto is.
Let's start here.
For me, it's between Naruto and Yuji. My favorite characters in anime. Probably Naruto though. More leaning towards Naruto.
It's time. Let's have some fun.
I like how Mount Lady's bad and then Mount Lady. Mount Lady. Oh wait, that says Mount Lady. I keep getting fucking Nagon confused with Mount Lady. Mount Lady is not bad. One over there. Oh wait. Ah, I got one.
Surroundings. We're under attack.
You're under attack. I'm perfectly fine. You're getting shredded.
Well, well. Level up.
Do I have a group heal? I don't.
Can anyone come help?
Someone got knocked down. Let's hide. Why you?
I'm sorry. Looks like this is it.
Mount Lady's bad, hmm? Didn't she just kill you? I thought I could block it. Alright, surely I'm able to go through them.
Enemies are waiting. No time to waste. Enemies are waiting.
I take back what I said about my last teammates. These teammates are genuinely the worst. Yes. Cause what do you mean I go in, I can't move anymore? Fucking losers. You're fucking gone. Do something.
Accuracy increased.
Area
Yeah, I'm just gonna end. Screw it. See ya.